Canada is welcoming thousands of foreign workers every year. Did you know you can actually get a Canadian job offer while living in your own country? In this video, I'll explain how you can find jobs in Canada from abroad, what LMIA is, and how the work permit process works. Let's begin. Section 1. Preparation. Step 1 is preparation. Canadian resume. Make it 1 to 2 pages, list only skills, work experience, and education. No photos or personal details. Language test. IELTS for English or TEF for French. A good score increases your chances. ECA, Educational Credential Assessment from WES or other organizations to prove your degree is valid in Canada. Section 2, Job Search. Where can you find jobs? LinkedIn. Optimize your profile and connect with Canadian recruiters. Job portals. Use jobbank.gc.ca, indeed.ca, iluta.ca, workbc, and Jobalico. Networking. Many jobs in Canada are filled through networking and referrals, not just online applications. Section 3. LMIA Explained. LMIA stands for Labor Market Impact Assessment. It proves that no Canadian is available for the role, so the employer can hire a foreign worker. But not all jobs need LMIA. For example, IT professionals can come under the global talent stream, and agriculture jobs often hire without LMIA. Section 4. Interview and Job Offer. Canadian employers usually interview online. Prepare for common questions like, tell me about yourself, why do you want to work in Canada? If successful, you'll receive a job offer letter. Check the salary, job title, and start date carefully before signing. Section 5. Work Permit and Visa. Once you have a job offer, apply online through the IRCC portal. Your employer provides documents like the LMIA. You'll also need a medical exam, police clearance, and biometrics. In many cases, your employer will help guide you through this process. So that's how you can get a job in Canada from abroad. Remember, prepare well, apply smart, and always avoid scams. If you found this video helpful, like, share, and subscribe for more guides. And comment below if you'd like me to make a video about Canadian interview preparation with real sample answers. See you in the next video, and good luck on your Canadian journey.